My head champion, guys. Jenny, say something to my guys. Who? Tell them you are champion, bro.
Hey, wow, a lot of people, eh? You're the main man.
No. Saki. Oh, Bobby, come. No, not for me. Hey, guys, even Bobby champion, even Bobby. Come on! Hey, don't. Yeah! No, here. No. Come. The champion is here. We are all champion. Oh, Ali.
Oh, sorry, what are you doing?
What is this?
Oh, live. We are the champions and we celebrate now.
He is the champion, the real champion. Bravo! Come on. Hey guys, he scored a wonderful goal. The boy, the golden boy. Hey Fabinho, look at eyes red completely.
Sadio Mane!
Nabi, le goal, ton but était magnifique, bien.
Merci mon grand, merci mon grand.
Tu promets? No guys, he gonna speak English today.
Yes.
Why you call me guys?
We are champions.
Can you tell me how you score your goal in English?
Bro, this goal is magnificent.
Yeah.
Our team is very great today. We are happy, we are champions.
Yeah. Tu peux m'expliquer comment t'as marqué? You gonna explain me a little bit?
Bro,
And then?
my first intention,
And then you shoot goal. Nabi, c'est my first intention. C'est ça, hein? Tu t'es bien débrouillé quand même. Il faut. He's the champion as well. He's also the champion. Our main security, the main man. Guys, I will show you a little bit the pitch, how it's crazy, but yeah, see you soon. We are coming.
Sadio, I have the same, huh?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Oh, boss come. Thank you. All the best. Fabinho, what is that? Hey guys, Fabinho doesn't have no hair. So he put here and here, but no hair here. No, Fabinho doesn't have hair, so you have to put it here on the bubble. Can you ask Mo to give you a little bit hair? Mo, you have to give a little bit hair to Fabinho.
I'm red now.
Red.
Marco, take my beer.
Not bad. Fucking Bobby, what is that?
Put it straight everywhere. It's okay.
Main.
No.
Men don't want.
Not today.
Put up.
Put up, huh?
Boys, come on.
Walk of the champion, guys. Hey, you're gonna say Japan people. And Japanese.
こんにちは。リバプール優勝しました。ありがとうございます。応援ありがとうございます。
Hey, we love you, Japan. Japan, we love you.
We are champion.
We are champion. Turkish champion. Yes. But where we going back? Whoa. Capi. How are you gonna leave the trophy today? Like always, I used to this one. Chobo.